On this Honda Civic L4-1, 8LR18Z1 application, P0752 is for Shift Solenoid Valve A stuck on. In plain terms, the transmission control system may be seeing that solenoid or its hydraulic response not behave the way it expects. The driver may notice shift complaints, the transmission may not shift normally, or the code may just be found during a scan. Broadly, this can involve ATF level or condition, leaks, solenoid operation, valve body movement, or internal transmission material. Before clearing anything, record the freeze data and any onboard snapshot with the HDS. Then start with the basic system checks. Start with the ATF check. Warm the engine to normal operating temperature, the point where the radiator fan comes on. Make sure the transmission is filled to the proper level and check for fluid leaks. Then drain the ATF through a strainer and look at what the strainer catches. If there is metal debris or excessive clutch material, the diagnostic path calls for replacing the transmission, then moving to repair verification. If the strainer does not show metal debris or excessive clutch material, replace the ATF and continue to the solenoid operation check. Next, check Shift Solenoid Valve A operation with the HDS. Turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2, clear the code, select Shift Solenoid Valve in the miscellaneous test menu and command the solenoid. You are listening for the solenoid click. If a clicking sound is heard, Shift Solenoid Valve is operating for this check, so continue to the road test verification. If no clicking sound is heard, replace Shift Solenoid Valve A, then verify the repair. If the solenoid clicks, verify the problem on the road. Test drive the vehicle with the shift lever in D and let the transmission shift through all 5 gears. While driving, monitor the OBD status for P0752 in the HDS DTC menu. If the HDS shows failed, the failure has been duplicated. At that point, the diagnostic call is a faulty shift valve A, with repair directed to the main valve body for shift valve A, or the transmission, followed by repair verification. If the HDS shows passed, treat it as an intermittent failure and the system is okay at this time. If the HDS shows not completed, drive it again under the required conditions until the monitor completes. Keep repair verification separate from the testing steps. Turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2, clear the code with the HDS, then test drive with the shift lever in D and let the transmission shift through all 5 gears. Monitor the OBD status for P0752. If it shows passed, this troubleshooting is complete. After that, check for any other pending or confirmed codes, and if any are present, check what they mean next. If P0752 shows failed, go back to the solenoid operation check and recheck the path. If it shows not completed, meet the test condition and check the OBD status again. The key on this code is to separate fluid and internal debris, solenoid actuation, and the final hydraulic and mechanical confirmation without jumping past the checks. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.